In this program, we just would like to simulate whatever is requested based on the is even and is odd of the numbers here. So we read the couple of integers, and then for simplicity we compute two variables here, is a even, is b even, and then we go condition by condition. Like for example, if not is a even and not is b even, then we can multiply both of them here. Not is even means a is odd, so this is actually like an odd and odd, and this is like an even, and this is like an odd and even, and then the remaining case. So you just simulate them one by one. In the second homework, we would like to sort or order three numbers. The sort is a very important functionality. We will learn later when we study the lists about the sort algorithm, but for now we would like to practice the sorting by ourselves. So the idea here is as simple as we need to start to compare the numbers together. For example, let's say we have the a and b and c. The idea is as following. Let's say that b is less than a. Then what we need at this moment is to swap both of them together so that we make sure that the a is smaller than b. For example, if the input is 3 and 2, then a is 3, b is 2. Is b less than is 2 is less than b 3? The answer is yes. So we need to swap them. To swap two numbers, we can use the multiple assignments in a very simple way. We have here the a comma b. We assign them to b comma a. Remember, the right side will be evaluated first. So the value of b will be evaluated first, the value of a. Then now the value of a assigned to b and the value of b assigned to a. But to the temporary values that already computed now. This is a big difference between Python and C++. Now, let's say that the numbers were 3 and 2. What we did so far is we swapped them to be 2 and 3. Now let's take one more step. What about the c and the b? We can check again. If this number is greater than this number, or the reverse, if this number is less than this number, then we need to swap again these numbers. So here, if this happened, we swap b and the c together. Now we have these two numbers now here. The output is 2, 1, and 3. But this is still not so good. Why? Because we swapped a and b, and then we swapped the b and the c. Then this means that the relationship between the first two numbers now might be corrupted. That's why we come back again here and say if there is this two numbers should be sorted or not. I would like you to try to trace it by yourself again. Take three numbers, make sure that they are from the large to small this way, so that you see that every if condition is traced well. I would like you also to give you some coding and tracing exercise. There is like how many internal conditions here? We have this condition, and we have this condition, and we have this condition. A very good testing will make sure that you have enough test cases to get inside every single condition. So you don't claim that your code good unless you really got some test case to trace every inner case. Here for me, I used the 3, 2, 1 as an example to really force me to try every single condition. The moral of this algorithm was to observe what's going to happen when you keep shuffling the data here. That's all.